is Oshuma. Okay, Librous, yeah. His name is Librous Oshuma, saying that Nnamdi Kanu is in trouble. He said when Nnamdi Kanu opted to defend himself, that he knew he was going to run into this kind of trouble. So what kind of trouble is that? Librous Oshuma, a legal practitioner, has stated that Nnamdi Kanu made a serious mistake by choosing to defend himself in court. He said this after Kanu refused to open his defense in court and claimed that there was no charge against him. In an interview with TVC, Oshuma said even though the law allows anyone, including lawyers, to defend themselves in criminal cases, it is not always the best decision. Oshuma said that in Kanu's case, the charges against him are sensitive and complicated, which makes it risky for him to appear in court without legal representation. Well, has he not been having a legal representation? What has happened? No, tell me what has happened. Is it not the same court that has really discharged and acquitted him before now? So I don't understand this kind of a thing. So are we saying that Nnamdi Kanu never had a legal representation before? He has been having for the past 4 years, and yet nothing is being done. So why are you saying he made a mistake? So when he had people who represented him in court, so what happened? Did he make mistake or not? Is it not his lawyer that they arrested recently because he protested? I don't understand though. Well, he stated that criminal trials are often require deep legal knowledge and careful handling, which a professional lawyer can provide better. So the ones that he has been using before now, the likes of Elzekome, the likes of Ejimako, and Ifeanyi, Ejiofor, all of them, are they not professionals? So what have really come out of all of those? In Oshoma's words, when Nnamdi Kanu opted to defend himself, I knew he was certainly going to run into this kind of problems. Even for a lawyer, even though you have the right to defend yourself in a criminal matter, it is always advisable for you to allow a colleague defend you. Considering the allegation against Nnamdi Kanu, I do not think it was advisable for him to have elected to defend himself. You said he has the right to do that. Is it not the same set of you to be blaming the government? Because you people are not even talking deeply on the the judgment, the verdict that has been passed, that it should be released. You are not talking about that one. I don't know whether these are fresh charges against him, or the ones that they have been, they've provided in court, and they pronounced him, they declared him, they declared his release. You people are not talking about that. Are we talking about a new offense he committed or what? People must say something. I don't understand. So what problem did he run into now? Ronu and hatred. He was just playing arrogance, deceiving Igbo by few Yoruba like Shore and Igbohu. With the word is interestingly watching to hear their final judgment. The case is more persecution than prosecution. Okay, what we need now is prayer for Nnamdi Kanu. They are not even ready to release him by miracle. It's by miracle if Kanu comes out, because the top politicians in Igbo land are not with Kanu. You should be deceiving yourself. They are not with Kanu. So if we have a good court system, so some people will be influencing, of course, because things are just the way they are. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Nonsense post from educated illiterates. If Nnamdi Kanu can maintain his stand not to call lawyer again for his matter, it won't even be misunderstood by right-thinking human being. Reason is that since the inception of the court case between him and the federal government of Nigeria, the government has never admitted their own faults as clearly defined by Nigeria law. His human rights violation damages awarded to him by Nigeria court and so on. Okay, I'm afraid of how much this case may charge our father's land after his freedom embezzlement. Please do not finish us. Which school of law did this man attend? If he just ran into a problem of recent, what has kept him in DSS custody before this time? That's a good question. That is a good question. Like I said, everybody is entitled to use our own opinion, and because we are in a lawless environment and we try to just, okay, what are we going to do? Hey, let's just continue living like that. Let us continue to manage like that. What do we have to do? And the politicians and the corrupt ones are always having upper hand. So guys, let's hear your opinion and have your take on this. Thank you.